Hello everyone and good morning. I am just making a quick recording so that you have a reference for some of the things we talked about yesterday on how to navigate the site. The first thing you'll see when you come to this site are a slider of daily announcements, and these are all going to be the global perspective for announcements that go all across all the cohorts. As is this initial kind of an introduction to the professional development experience. Again, that's going across all the different cohorts, not just our cohort. Here too, this weekly schedule, which gives you a theme for each day of the week. And then you'll, of course, open the learning and working task options. Remember, your job is to work on one of these. If you are excited about doing more than one of these per day, that is up to you. But your goal is to do really well one of these tasks. So make sure that you don't feel overwhelmed by the list of tasks. Just click on this when you sign in the morning and pick one task that you know you're gonna focus on during the day. Okay, later as we come down here, you're going to see these things that are specific to our cohort once you click on the My Cohort Number 20 tile. This Zoom link, that's going to be the button you click for our Monday 1 p.m. Central cohort meetings and for drop-in hours that are Monday through Thursday 2:30 to 4 Central. It's the one Zoom link for all of our synchronous interactions. Then remember, every morning you're going to check in before you begin work and check out once you've completed working for the day. Now, your support teams, you should be posting every day, so make sure you, when you're finished for the day, the other thing you get to do is just kind of click on whichever support team you're involved in and show as much detail as you can of what you accomplished on that day. The last thing you'll see down here is the Friday progress updates. This whole group discussion board or forum we're all going to post here on Friday. It's a little bit informal. We'll see about 20 because everybody is from the whole cohort is going to be posting here. Just kind of explain maybe one of the most challenging or one of the coolest things you worked on during the week. And then, of course, Friday, you're going to hit this week 1 mentor submission. And all you have to do is click add submission and it'll upload whatever you want me to see to give more tailored feedback to. But again, it's something where you have the opportunity to get group feedback here in your support team. Then you have the opportunity on Friday to get cohort feedback, whole cohort feedback, by posting something here on Friday that we can look at and learn from and discuss, and then very personalized, tailored feedback at the end of each week with this submission here. And then for the third week, you'll just use these two. Okay, so I hope this helps navigate the site and make sure that you're not overwhelmed with things when you open this learning and working task options, because remember, these are things that you choose one, and if you have time, you can work on more than one. All right, let me know if you have any more questions. Take care.